Ever wonder why the world seems to be on fast forward? Welcome to the age of technology, where EON Reality is setting the pace with the national rollout of spatial AI centers. This is more than a leap into the future. It's a stride toward an AI-centric era, a revolution in education and industry. Picture a world where 50,000 students grasp knowledge through immersive learning, where 10,000 custom courses propel eager minds into the future. This world is closer than you think. With the spatial AI centers, we're not just talking about transformation, we're enabling it. We're not just predicting the future, we're preparing for it. Through tailored educational frameworks, skills development, and workforce integration, we're ensuring that every region's needs are met with precision and care. And the impact? It's measurable, it's tangible. It's a leap in educational engagement, a significant reduction in costs, and an increase in student-related revenue. We're not just enhancing education, we're creating job opportunities and igniting economies. So, are we just talking about a smarter, more connected world? No, we're building it one nation at a time. EON Reality invites you to be part of this revolution. Visit our website, sign up, and take the first step into a new realm of possibilities. EON Reality, where knowledge is a human right.